Yeah, hi, my name is Sonja Hämäläinen. I come from Finland, from the Ministry of the Economy and the Employment. And we are here joining this summit for technology developers and software engineers because we want to enhance our cooperation between Finland and India on these matters. Yes, definitely. I think this has been a great opportunity for us to promote our Finland Works idea that we have, and we even have a hashtag for that. And the idea behind that is that we want to increase the business opportunities between India and between Finland, and to network our companies better. And of course there is talent pool here in India, and we have a lot of talent also in Finland, and we want to emerge the talents and see what kind of business opportunities and opportunities for growth comes out of that. So I think we have been able to do all of this here. Yeah, very highly skilled people we have been meeting so far with various backgrounds, and some of them have been having really interesting backgrounds also from the point of view of the companies in Finland. So I think definitely there is a room for cooperation here.